Cleanliness is next to godliness. It is our imperative to keep our environment clean, hygienic, and conducive for a pleasant living. Our home should not become breeding ground for infections. We are going to demonstrate to you how mopping of floor has to be done in a smart way. Not much of water to be wasted. Here is Mrs. Bharati Reddy. She is going to demonstrate to you brooming and mopping. First, you have to broom the floor. When you are brooming, bend your knees a bit so that you do a little exercise also. And don't do it very slow. Do it slightly fast so that your body gets necessary exercise. Yeah, you can watch how the strokes are going on, and that's important. If you don't bend, there is a lot of dust which is released into the air, and it settles down on the furniture and other places. Yeah, even you can see how much dust is there on the floor, which we think is clean. Yeah. Now she is going to do the dusting of the furniture. This is a yellow cloth. Once we use it, it becomes like this. Don't use a wet cloth for cleaning furniture and other items. It has to be only a glass cleaning yellow cloth. Once you do with this cloth, which is clean and washed, then there will be no scratches on the furniture as well as on the glass items. There will be a lot of decorative pieces in our home. It is very important for us to see that they don't get spoilt by scratches. Yeah. Since she maintains this furniture like this, it is now 8 years old furniture which is polished. It looks almost fresh. And once you inspect your cloth, and if there is too much of dust, you have to take it out and then dust it and bring it and again start dusting. Don't dust with the same yellow cloth again and again without dusting off the dust. And the dusting has to be gentle. Don't apply too much of pressure. Only the dust has to be removed. Now she is ready for mopping. This is a mop. It is ideal to keep 2 buckets of water. This is the third rinsed water which was obtained after washing clothes. This is third rinsed water, and collect half of bucket each. First do the mopping in the first bucket, and remember it, that should be the first one. And after cleaning it in the first bucket water, take it to the second bucket and clean it, and then take it, do the mopping. See how the mopping has to be done. Many of us do with mopping stick, which is not efficient. The dust sticks there only. And when you do it this way, you get good exercise. And remember that the dado along the floor has to be also mopped well. We are mopping to see that the dust is removed and the entire house is hygienic, which means no insects, no pests. Yeah, take the cloth, rinse it in first bucket nicely, squeeze it, take it to the second bucket, rinse it, squeeze it. Don't keep too much of water in the mop. Then floor will become too watery and the dust will not get off. It's very important to rinse off very well. Yeah, see how much water she has squeezed off. Don't leave any place, just mop with long strokes. That will give you good body exercise. And it should continue. And you don't have to apply too much of pressure. The water will do the job with the mop. And if the floor is too dirty, don't forget, you can just change both the waters, or rather the first bucket of water itself can become the second bucket of water, and the second bucket can become the first bucket of water. Like that, you save water. Ideally, we use the rinsed water after washing clothes, but you can also use fresh water, not a problem. You see how you can see the difference between the first bucket, that is first rinse, second bucket, second rinsed water. Now clean the mop nicely with fresh water till the mop is absolutely clean. Otherwise, next time when you use the mop, it will smell. Firstly, it has to be clean and it has to be dried nicely, and once in a while you should put it in sun. You see, she is doing the second rinsing. Don't take too much of water. Maybe half of quarter bucket will be doing. See there. Yeah, the mop is clean. By the rinsed water, you can see the cleanliness of water. Squeeze nicely. Yeah, so you can see now mop is ready for drying.